what is there in this question, we will apply the pseudo force and we will try to solve this question. So what is asked in this question? The elevator shown in figure is descending with acceleration 2 meter per second square. The whole elevator is descending with acceleration 2 meter per second square. The mass of A is 0.5 kg. The upper block is 0.5 kg. What force is exerted by block A on block B? Okay, so we will write the forces first. Okay, so on A, what are the forces? So we will write equation for A. For A, if we write first, we will make the free body diagram and we will write the equation. So for A, we have a downward force MAG. Okay, then we have a normal force from the surface, normal from the B, normal force. And since the whole system is accelerating downward, there will be a pseudo force in upward direction. So this is pseudo force. So pseudo force will be how much? This is suppose A naught. So we will write M mass of A into A naught. Okay, so this way we can write. Now you can see that block A is stationary. The block A is not moving inside the lift. If you take observation inside the lift, then the block A is stationary. All the equations are written. This is written with respect to inside the lift. So this is what? From lift frame, from elevator frame, from elevator frame. Okay, so all the forces are from elevator. In elevator, the object is stationary. So we can write what? We can write M A naught plus N equal to M A G. So what will be normal force? The normal force will be MAG minus MA naught. Okay, so how much is MA? MA is 0.5, G is 10, 0.5, and how much is A naught? A naught is 2. So it will be how much? It will be 8 Newton. So we're getting 8 Newton. So what force is exerted by block A on block B? So we are getting 8 Newton. No, not 8 Newton. Sorry, this is not 8 Newton. 4 Newton. We will get 4 Newton. Okay, so we are getting 4 Newton. But just imagine this. Normally, if you see, if the lift is not accelerated, in that case, how much will be the normal force? If lift is not accelerated, the normal here is equal to the weight of the object. So in normal situation, it is 5 Newton because the weight is what? 5 Newton, 0.5 kg. So 5 Newton is the weight in normal case, in normal situation. But when the lift is accelerated, the force is less. So you can see the normal force from the ground has decreased. So what does it mean? The object A will feel lighter on object B. So the normal force has decreased, and that is due to the pseudo force.